Running your own business is tough. You got to wear a lot of hats. I got to send estimates and invoices every day to keep the wheels turning. So to make that a little bit more efficient, I created a product called SMASH. And I'm going to show you how it works. When I get an inquiry like this one here, I open it up, take a quick look, and then press SMASH. SMASH opens up here on my sidebar. It's already read the email for me. I'm going to press record. Hey Dan, funny, it's got the same name as me. It's roughly going to take about 8 hours work to replace that front door. I'll need to remove that door jamb and install a new door jamb and a new exterior door. We'll have to include a set of hinges and a lock set. Also be a travel fee and then a material pickup fee applied to that. I just press stop recording and it does the rest. While it's doing that, I'll give you a quick demo of the other features it's got here. So you can set up your full pricing profile in here for all your rates, your markup fees, etc. It comes with a pre-built catalog. So you've got 2,500 materials in there, all based on the averages for UK, Australia, New Zealand and Canada. You can also put your custom service profile in there as well. So if you're doing cleaning, if you're